Another day, another story. Get ready to dive into the world of electric innovation as we bring you an in-depth look at the Tesla Model Y. Join us as we uncover some of the most remarkable and lesser-known facts about this revolutionary crossover. 1. Versatility redefined. Fact number 1, the ultimate all-rounder. Blending SUV practicality with electric performance, the Model Y stands out with its spacious interior, impressive cargo capacity, and rapid acceleration. 2. Next-level technology. Fact number 2, high-tech marvel. Step inside the Model Y's minimalist interior, dominated by a massive touchscreen. From seamless navigation to advanced autopilot capabilities, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. 3. Boundless range. Fact number 3, travel farther. With an exceptional range on a single charge, the Model Y takes you places. Whether it's daily commuting or cross-country adventures, its range efficiency is truly groundbreaking. 4. Unleashing performance. Fact number 4, electrifying performance. Tesla's performance variant of the Model Y redefines speed. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in seconds, it shatters preconceptions about electric vehicle performance. Scene 5. Sustainable production. Fact number 5, driving sustainability. Beyond the road, Tesla's commitment to sustainability shines. The Model Y is crafted using renewable energy, aligning with Tesla's vision for an eco-friendly future. 6. Evolution through updates. Fact number 6, always evolving. The Model Y isn't just a vehicle, it's a constantly evolving experience. Over-the-air updates enhance features, performance, and even the feel of your Model Y. Conclusion. And that concludes our exploration of the astonishing facts about the Tesla Model Y. From its versatile design to cutting-edge tech and unwavering sustainability, the Model Y stands at the forefront of automotive evolution. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more electrifying insights. Until next time, embrace the future of driving.